Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the phone so Face ID can relearn your face accurately. First, make sure iOS is fully updated. This prevents software bugs from blocking enrollment. Once done, remove any screen protector and wipe the notch area so the true depth sensors see a clear image. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer so you can revert if needed. Make sure ambient light is even. Avoid strong backlight. Then go to Settings and open Face ID and passcode to start resetting Face ID. Now re-enroll Face ID by tapping Reset Face ID, then set up Face ID. You'll see a circular frame and prompts. Position your face in the frame at arm's length, then bring it closer when prompted. Move your head slowly in a full circle to let the true depth camera capture all angles. If you wear glasses or a face covering regularly, enable alternate appearance after the first scan so the system learns variations. Keep expressions neutral. Do both scans to ensure robust recognition across lighting and angles. Finish by testing unlock in different lighting, angles, and with the eyewear you normally use, so you confirm consistent recognition. If Face ID still fails, try reset all settings to clear misconfigurations. This won't erase data, but will reset preferences. As a last software step, perform a DFU restore using a computer to rule out firmware corruption. If problems persist after those steps, you likely face a hardware issue. Contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for true depth sensor diagnostics and potential repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.